So I'm waiting at the moment. I've got about 20 minutes on my hand. Apologies, I haven't got my normal camera. I'm using my mobile phone. But I'm going to do a quick video for you because very recently, yesterday in fact, I did a video on the KINGBOLEN Ediag Plus. It's a diagnostic tool that was sent to me and I did a review and I loved it. I thought it was excellent and it's so small and portable. You can take it anywhere. And this is my point in case, is that here I am sitting waiting and I just had a quick look at my channel and there's two of my subscribers have asked me a couple of questions on it. And as I got it in my pocket, I thought I'd show them how to get the answers. So the first person, John Cochran 544, he wants to know, on a Mercedes, using the Ediag Plus, can you look at the Partronic system and actually what you can do? And the other guy is a guy called Maurice Maloney 6717, and he's asking, how do you find the mileage? Well, both of those I can show you. And because it does it on my mobile phone, I'll just record the screen. So here we go, let's get into it. So obviously with your Ediag Plus plugged in and the software downloaded, if you don't know how to do that, it's very easy. There's a video showing you how to do it in the description below. Once you've got that, let's go into All System Diagnostic. It's going to find the VIN code automatically. And at the bottom there you can see it says reading the mileage from the ECU, so I'm going to show that to you, Maurice, in a second, how you find that info. And then just select the year of your Mercedes that you've got, or whatever car that you've got. This is a Mercedes SL R230 and it's a 2004. Right, so on this screen here you want to go into system selection, and John Cochran, I'll show you how you find your Partronic info. Let's just quickly go down the list. This is all of the control units that the Ediag Plus KINGBOLEN device can talk to with my car. Transmission control module, electronic stability, electronic selector module, Distronic engine control module, SBC, electronic stability program, ABC body control, etc. And you can see if I move down the list, there's quite a comprehensive range of all the different main computers, control units on this car that the Ediag Plus can actually control. But you simply go down and have a look for Partronic and it will be there. It's not in alphabetical order. There it is there, PTS, the Partronic. So select that. And now these are the options in the Partronic system that it can perform. So module information, it's going to tell you about the device itself. It's got a Mercedes-Benz part number, the manufacturer being Bosch, etc. You can read the fault codes. Let's have a look and see if I've got any. I may have one. I had to replace a sensor, so there may be a historic one. It says wait about 20 seconds there, you can see. And I got no faults, which is lovely, so I'll go back. So one of the nice things about this is because it's Bluetooth and because you're using your mobile phone, you can walk around the vehicle and you can test those parking sensors. So if you go into read data stream, you can see here, let's go into the front bumper. You've got a graph here, which as you would walk, you'll see that go up and down. So you can select which sensors, select them all if you want, and press OK. And now you got the option of, you can see there that the standard is 8.36 feet. So if you were to go and perform a walk around the vehicle, you should see a difference in those graphs. And you can combine them. And then you'll see on the bottom there that there'll be a range difference as you perform your test. So there you go, there's your Partronic. Another little thing you can do on the inside of your car is if you go all the way back out the menu, there's a little special, well, you got actuation test there, which is nice. And this is where you got the buzzer. So if I press F3, you can hear the beep. That's coming from my car. Obviously I haven't got my camera to show you. And if I press F4, that's a little bit faster. Another thing you can do, which is quite nice, obviously you can do that for the rear, you've got a display there. So if I go special function, you can see the bars on both the rear and the front displays going up and down. So just in case there's one of your LEDs are out as well. So you've got a visual and audible test, and you can check the sensors as well. So I hope that helps you with the Partronic system, John Cochran. The next person asked me, Maurice Maloney 6717. He's asking about the mileage. Right, well that's quite straightforward. You just have to know where to go and find it, really. So I'm going to go into system selection again, and this time I want to find the dashboard it's going to say instrument panel. So let's just try and there we go, instrument cluster. So select that, switch on ignition, which it is. Okay, so now you go into read data stream, and it gives you the fuel tank outside temperature, etc. But it says here, look, reading of main odometer. If I select that, press OK, there we go. I got 182,720 miles. And if I look at my dashboard, that is the mileage that I have. So there you go, Mr. John Cochran and Maurice Maloney. Hope that answered those two questions. And that's the whole beauty of this Ediag Plus. From the video done yesterday, one of the biggest selling points for me is look how small and convenient that is. I happen to have it in my pocket. I was waiting around 20 minutes and now I've answered your two questions. And if you think about it, if you had one of these and you went to go and see a friend and they have a problem on their car, let's say, I don't know, it's a Suzuki and you haven't got Suzuki, it doesn't matter because this has all the different car brands. I think it does over 10,000 different car types. You simply download the particular brand that you need and you're ready to go. You don't have to download them all, you just download them as and when you need them. What do you think? Let's get straight into it, have a look at the pros and cons. For me, one of the big tick in the boxes is, look at the size of it, just how small this is. It's actually smaller in height than a mobile phone. Yeah, it's a little bit thicker, but it's lighter than a mobile phone. It's so portable and easy to take with you and carry around. You literally stick it in your pocket with your cable and away you go. But just think about it in that sense, that it also does 10,000 plus different cars. So to think, on your mobile phone, and with these two things here, you got access to get to 10,000 different cars. That's pretty good for the size of it. So that for me is one big tick in the box. I've got 3 brand new diagnostic tools I'm going to be reviewing coming up very shortly, and they are the YA201 OBD2 Enhanced Code Scanner. Maybe you're on a budget, maybe just need something for one vehicle. This could just be the fella for you. Also, I'm going to be having a look at the K7 Smart Scans tool by KINGBOLEN, as well as the S Smart Scan tool. I'm going to put it up against a little comparison test for people like the Launch X431 Pro Elite. I've also got my Autel there, which is going to be on a comparison against the Launch. It's going to be a comparison against the Smart Scan and the K7 Scan, and we're also going to maybe see how they also compare against the slightly smaller ones. I may even do a review against the KINGBOLEN Ediag Plus that I've just done today to see for you and your budget which you think perhaps is the diagnostic tool for you. So I hope this all helps you. I'll see you on the next one.